Okay, so our lesson for today is all about geometric series. Okay, so what is all about geometric series? In mathematics, the term geometric series form a geometric progression, meaning that the ratio of successive terms in the series is constant. This relationship allows for the representation of a geometric series using only two terms, R and A. The term R is the common ratio and A is the first term of the series. Okay, so kapag sinabi natin geometric series, this is getting the sum of the geometric sequence. Okay, by using the two terms which is R and A, the common ratio and the first term of the sequence. Okay, so as an example, the geometric series is 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/16 plus and so on. Okay, may simply be written as first term plus first term times the common ratio plus first term times the common ratio square plus the first term times the common ratio cube plus and so on, with A equals to the first term, or the value of the first term is 1/2 and the value of the common ratio is 1/2. Okay, so ganyan lamang po yung geometric sequence. Pinag-a-add lang po natin ang ating geometric sequence. Okay, so ayan po yung ibig sabihin or yung illustration kung paano ba mag-add ng sequence sa geometric series. Okay, so we have two types of geometric series. The first is finite geometric series. Okay, so when we say finite geometric series, from the word finite, these are the kind of sequence where there is a restriction, a limitation, or kumbaga meron siyang hangganan. Okay, so may hangganan lang yung sequence na sinusolve natin kapag finite geometric series. Okay, so in solving finite geometric series, the sum S sub n of the first n terms of a geometric sequence is S sub n equals to the first term times R, quantity R raised to n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, or first term quantity 1 minus R raised to n over 1 minus R. Okay, so kung papansin ninyo, ang pinagkaiba lang dyan is yung place ng 1 at ng R. Okay, so dito sa una, nauna yung R, pero sa pangalawa ay nauna yung 1. Pero the same pa rin naman sila na formula sa pagsusolve ng geometric series. Okay, where A sub 1 is the first term and R is the common ratio. And R is not equals to 1. Why? Okay, so bakit ba dapat ang value ng R natin ay hindi mag-equals to 1? Kasi kapag nag-equals to 1, ang value ng R natin, hindi natin makukuha yung sum ng ating sequence. Magiging undefined kapag yung R natin ay naging equals to 1. Kasi 1 minus 1, so the answer is 0. Since 0 is the denominator, so it become undefined. Okay, kaya iniiwasan natin na dapat ang value ng first term, ang value ng common ratio natin, ang value ng common ratio natin ay not equal to 1. Okay? So, let's have example number 7. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric sequence 2, 6, 18, and 54. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin dito ay sum ng first 10 terms sa ating sequence na 2, 6, 18, and 54. Okay? So, we have these steps. Solve for the value of the common ratio. So, unang-una muna is kinakailangan nating isolve ang value ng common ratio o kinakailangan nating hanapin yung value ng common ratio sa ating sequence. Okay? So, to find for the ratio, R equals to A sub n over A sub n minus 1 or preceding term over the previous term. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung common ratio ni 2 and 6. So, we have 6 is the preceding term and 2 is the previous term. 6 over 2 or 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. Next, 6 and 18 naman. 18 is the preceding term and 6 is the previous term. 18 over 6, the answer is 3. Then next, si 18 at 54, 18 is the previous term and 54 is the preceding term. So 54 over 18, the answer is 3. Okay, so we have the common ratio equals to R. Next step, identify the first term, the common ratio, and the sum of the terms. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung value ng common ratio. Meron na rin tayong value ng first term, at yung sum of terms natin, ang hinahanap natin ay 10 terms. Therefore, we have a sub 1 equals to 2, R equals to 3, and S sub n equals to 10. Okay, paano siya naging 10? Kasi hinahanap natin ay sum ng first 10 terms sa ating geometric sequence. Okay? So, next step is substitute the given value in finite geometric series formula. Okay, so S sub n equals to the first term, quantity R raised to n minus 1 over R minus 1. So, ang gagawin lang natin is substitute lang yung mga given na value doon sa ating finite geometric series formula. Okay? So, ayan. So, sinubstitute na natin S sub n kasi hinahanap natin yung 10 terms. And then, value ng first term ay 2. Then, next is value ng R natin 3 raised to 10 kasi hinahanap natin ay sum ng 10 term. Minus 1 over value ng common ratio natin ay 3 minus 1. The next step is simplify the exponent. So, isi-simplify natin yung exponent. Okay? So, ang lalabas na sagot dyan ay 59,049. Okay? So, 3 raised to 10, the answer is 59,049. 3 raised to 10. Okay? Kaya meron tayong 59,049. And the next is subtract natin yung nasa parenthesis natin. Okay? So, 2 quantity 59,049 minus 1 over 2. Paano siya naging 2? Sinubtract na natin si 3 minus 1. Okay? Then next, kapag isusubtract natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 2 quantity 59,048 kasi sinubtract na natin si 1 over 2. Then next, kung papansin ninyo, pwede na nating isimplify si 2 na numerator at si 2 na denominator kasi pareho naman sila. Or di naman kaya, kapag hindi sila pareho, ang gagawin ay i-multiply muna yung number sa loob ng parenthesis and then saka natin i-divide. Yun ay kapag hindi pareho ng number sa labas at yung denominator natin. Okay? Kasi dito, 2 over 2, since they are the same, pwede na natin yung i-cancel out. At ang may iwan na sagot natin dyan, para sa sum ng first 10 terms sa ating sequence is 59,048. Okay? So, ayan na ngayon yung sum ng ating sequence. Okay? So, example number 8, find the sum of the first 9 terms of the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24. Okay? So, for step, we're going to solve for the value of the common ratio, or we are going to find for the value of the common ratio. So, using now the formula, R equals to A sub 1, A sub n over A sub 1, A sub n minus 1, or preceding term over the previous term. Okay? So, ang preceding term natin dito ay 6, at ang previous term natin ay 3. 6 over 3, the answer is 2. 12 is the preceding term, 6 is the previous term. 12 over 6, the answer is 2. Next, 24 is the preceding term and 12 is the previous term. 24 over 12, the answer is 2. Okay, so we have now the value of the common ratio equals to 2. Then next, identify the first term, the common ratio, and the sum of the terms. Okay, so the value of the common ratio, or the first term, we have 3. Common ratio is 2, and we are looking for the sum of the 9 terms. So, S sub n equals to 9 kasi hinahanap natin yung sum ng first 9 terms natin. Okay? Then next, we're going to substitute the given value in finite geometric series formula. S sub n equals to the first term, quantity R raised to n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay? So, substitute lang natin. So, we have S sub n or S sub 9 kasi hinahanap na natin yung 9 terms. Sum ng first 9 terms. Equals to the value of the first term. Quantity 2, yung value ng common ratio natin. And then yung exponent natin ay 9 kasi hinahanap natin yung sum ng 9 term. Minus 1 over 2, yung value ng common ratio, minus 1. Then next, so simplify natin yung exponent. So, 2 raised to 9, the answer is 512. Okay? So, 2 raised to 9, The answer is 512. And then next, subtract natin to, 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. Kaya yung denominator natin ay 1. And then, simplify natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, 512 minus 1, the answer is 511. Okay? Then, next naman, pwede na natin isimplify yung denominator natin. Since 1 yung denominator natin, ibig sabihin nun, i-multiply na lang natin si 3 kay 551. Pero ulitin ko, kapag hindi sila pareho ng number o mas mataas pa dito yung number, ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply muna yung number, itong number na nasa labas ng parenthesis, doon sa number na nasa loob ng parenthesis bago natin i-divide. Okay? So dito, since 1, ang magiging sagot na lang natin dyan ay i-multiply na lang si 3 kay 511. Okay? So we have the answer of S sub n equals to 1,533. So, ayan na ngayon yung sum ng ating first 9 terms sa ating sequence. Okay?